again everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a requested video and it is a what's in my bag. I haven't done this in a while and please don't mind my AirPod in my ear. I'm trying to use it as a microphone. I wanted to do a requested video when I unboxed my Bolide 27 in Vertigo. A couple of you guys asked me to do a what's in my bag for that said bag. And I have it, let me grab it, right over here. So currently it is, you know, stuffed with my things that I usually carry with me. And so you can see that it's kind of stuffed. And I have a longer strap on it, but I'll also show you the standard strap that it comes with. Currently I just have a horseshoe in blue electric and I have a twilly here in the back that kind of matches my bag. So yeah, let's just get started. To quickly show you guys what's inside without taking it all out yet, this is the current situation. If you could see, it is kind of full. These are things that I carry like on the daily, I guess. So yeah, and you'll see that I have a couple of things in there. So to get started, I have my phone and I have the iPhone 10, which is, you know, a bit smaller than the Plus, which I used to have. But yeah, it fits in there. I have a pop socket as well, so that doesn't bother me or anything. I'm gonna put my things just kind of on this side, so if you see me turning around, that's why. And then I have my Mon Monogram Agenda. I use this almost daily. I try to fill it in with things I did, appointments and whatnot. So I tend to carry this almost everywhere, except when, you know, I carry a smaller bag, then I'll leave it at home. I also have a smaller wallet right now. It does fit a full-size wallet as well. Maybe I should have grabbed that. But currently I'm using a compact silken wallet, so that fits in there nicely. I have my pencil case with a ton of colored pens inside and like white tape. I like to color coordinate my agenda, so I have that with my agenda. If I carry my agenda, then I'll have that. I also have my AirPods case in a little silicone case, and then I have these well-kept cleaning wipes that, you know, they come in handy when your touchscreen phone gets kind of nasty from oils and fingerprints. So I have that. And then I also have a little Tic Tac container, but actually it's my supplements that I take with my meals. So CLAs, yeah, that's, I guess, non-related. And then that's about it. I have a 4B, I don't want to say it wrong, but 4B20 inside. At first, I was just using like a mini dust bag that I got, I can't remember from what, but a mini Hermès dust bag that I folded in there because the inside is Swift, which is, you know, pretty delicate, smooth leather. Actually, for interior, Swift seems delicate, but like as a bag, like exterior leather, my Swift Constance is holding up really well, but for interior it is a bit softer. I feel like almost like lambskin. So I just have, this was a better solution than the dust bag because I did have to fold in the dust bag and it was just kind of got in the way. The only downside though is I can't really use the outside pockets because it does fit in there like almost a little too snug. I mean, ideally I wished it was a little smaller because, you know, this creases up. I mean, you know, but there is no smaller size. This is the smallest that it comes in, size 20, and I could have gotten a third-party bag organizer, but I was there, I tried it on, and I was like, okay, it works for what I need it to be, because I didn't want anything bulky or anything. So yeah, that's the inside. I typically don't carry a lot of things. If you've been following my channel, you know that I even just go out sometimes with my phone and my wallet. I don't carry a lot of things, so if what's in my bag is kind of boring, I'm sorry, but yeah, those are the daily things that I carry. But yeah, that's about it. So currently the strap I have on is a Caval strap, which is a canvas color and this is the wider 50 mm, and the length is 105 centimeters if I'm not mistaken. And it's just great for crossbody, so let me quickly show you. Sorry, my dress is kind of short. I didn't expect to stand up. Anyway, so yeah, it's great for crossbody. I like it, and this is again the 105 centimeter length. And to quickly show you guys the strap that it comes with, it is shorter, so you know, best for shoulder carry in my opinion. Let me show you crossbody. So it does, you know, not great for crossbody. So this is the standard strap that it comes with. Kinda too high if you ask me, but I don't really see the Bolide 2017 carried like this because of the top handle that's kind of tall. So ideally you would just wear it, you know, on your shoulder like so. But yeah, that's the standard strap. I honestly haven't carried it with this strap because I purposely wanted to get the Caval 105 length for my Bolide, and I guess it works with the Kelly as well, but I wanted it for my Bolide. And so this is more my go-to strap for my Bolide. So yeah, before I got the Caval strap, I just carried it, you know, by hand like so. It's great for the nook of your arm as well, because it is a bit like taller. And yeah, I know this video is gonna be pretty short, but I hope you guys enjoyed that what's in my bag. Nothing too interesting. I just wanted to show you guys what fits inside the Bolide 27, and I think it's a great bag, especially when you want something discreet. Doesn't necessarily have to scream, you know, Hermès. So like a Birkin or a Kelly, they're very iconic, and also sometimes just a little bit too in your face, especially if you want to keep it on the down low. So this is a great bag for, you know, a discreet look, and there's no label whatsoever except for inside. It does say Hermès Paris, made in France, and yeah, just a great, more like daily carry bag if you don't want to flaunt your Birkin or Kelly, you know, daily. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!